Guys, we got some more killer deals, more hacks for you guys. These deals just keep coming up. Big shout out to my homeboy for letting me know about all these deals. We got the super hog, the whole hog, the finish nailer, killer hacks. Guys, I'll leave the links down below in the description section of this video. Don't forget to help this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this. Make more tool review videos. That's the way YouTubers the platform by subscribes and likes. So help out this channel by doing so. Alright, this is the 16 gauge straight nailer. This is the M18 fuel 18 volt brushless 16 gauge cordless straight finish nailer kit with 2 amp hour battery charger in the bag. As you guys do see, these things are crazy expensive, especially in Milwaukee. It's down to $339, down from $419 if you select the free gift with purchase. Obviously, you're going to select the most expensive one, which is the battery at $149. Select that. Add both to cart. Alright, the battery is going to drop down to $103.51. But check this out, guys. This nailer kit, it's going to drop down to $235.49. Killer deal, guys. Just lots of good stuff. Alright, I'm going to switch the camera. I'm going to try to get the other tab that I have here. Alright, this one says it's, well, oh my god. Yeah, we already did this one. It's not available. It doesn't want to do it. Alright, guys, I'm going to go ahead and leave the other two on the community post. It's the Super Hog, and this one's a good deal too. Make sure you guys pick that one up too. You guys could do what the heck. I'm going to leave the Super Hog and the Hog down on the description section of this video. Down on the description section here, there's another deal coming up there. Big shout out to Chris for the previous deal. Yeah, I'll leave you guys the Super Hog and the Hog on the description section of this video. The links to all those. I know I couldn't show you guys without showing you my information. But guys, don't forget to help this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this. Make more tool review videos, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.